In a small, cheerful village where everyone has sparkling smiles, there lived a kind fairy named Sparkle. She loved helping children keep their teeth healthy and bright. But one day she noticed a problem. Sparkle discovered that some children had forgotten to brush their teeth, and tiny tooth trolls had moved in to cause trouble. Sparkle decided to teach the children why brushing their teeth is so important. She gathered her magical friends to help spread the message. Sparkle visited Mia, who loved sweets but didn't know how to brush properly. Bristly showed Mia how to brush in circles, reaching every tooth. With every child brushing properly, the tooth trolls began losing their grip. They hated clean teeth. Soon, the village was free from tooth trolls. The children cheered as their teeth sparkled like never before. And so Sparkle's message spread far and wide. Brush your teeth twice a day and keep the tooth trolls away.